If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our JASMY video update today, and we still are on a technical journey to move up to 9,493, and we're looking pretty good so far. Yesterday's video was pretty much an update about this pattern that was forming up, almost like falling wedge right here was being made up, and then they pushed it up, and then it still keeps on going, right? So far it has been a move up of nearly 10-11%, which is actually pretty nice to see. Bitcoin is looking good as well. I don't think we're soon going to dump anytime soon just yet. I do think this should actually be on a verse to move up to 9,493 because Bitcoin is still looking pretty good, and we might get JASMY to look pretty good as well. So one can say that you did came up and you've made a certain flag here. So if you look at the flag, there's a bull flag right there for JASMY, and I do kind of see JASMY trying to push from there to there, and you might even expect to come up to 7,545 as your technical target out of the flag, and the flag actually gets invalidated if you come down to 6,492. So what it's going to be, I really don't know. Let's see what happens, and that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.